Wait 2 more minutes. Wait 5 more minutes. Latest. This is latest interview questions. Okay. First, they ask her, tell me about yourself. Myself, Ganesh, having currently associated in with currently associated in Okay, so and so company name. Okay, this is and my roles and responsibilities are person calling IBM products bracket లో IE bracket లో installation manager the installation manager and WebSphere product install and configure install and configure and created the profiles and cluster creation in horizontal mode. Cluster creation in horizontal mode and deploy the application through console or console and it means scripts. Okay. After that, creation of data source in staging or non-staging environment. Here, staging is the production, non-staging is the dev, pet, sit, etc. Okay. And SSL creation in dev, pad, sit, UAT environments and resolved the incident task, change tasks and ECR emergency change request, emergency change request, incident request and along with problem records. We support 24 by 7 on call 24 by 7 24 by 7 based on the shifts basis shift basis and troubleshooted the OM issues and Corba related issues and SSO issues, 503, 404, 400, 403 related issues was resolved. We resolved it. issues already troubleshooted. Okay, after that we can communicated with the all teams, join the bridge call, bridge call to resolve the DB slowness issues and password related issues as well as okay, we support we support client OS, either AX or Linux or Windows, as well as, and we can implement, we can coordinate with Linux team and will top the servers based on the scenarios. What scenarios means? Linux monthly patching, Linux monthly patching in all environments, but production we will raise the change request. Will raise the change request and taken approval from the client. Taken approval from the client. Later taken from change authority board approvals. Later change becomes scheduled state. Then only we will implement that change. Implement the change. The change will be completed and close the change within the period of time, either 2 or 3 or 4 hours, etc. 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 This is my roles and responsibilities, and after that we will train the freshers 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 and place it the with suitable roles, with suitable roles as well as okay. Okay, this is first question completed. This is the first question. Suitable. Which OS do you support? I will support client OS. We will support. We will support client based OS. like Linux, comma, AX, comma, Windows, comma, Ubuntu, comma, etc. etc. They said means they said don't confusion way here straightly say Linux and X will support Israel. So in this point of time, deliver the answer as X, Linux, Ubuntu, Windows OS will be supported based on the client requirement. This is the okay. After this, why should you hire? It says like that. It says ask like that means I will resolve the issues without breach SLA like P1, P2, P3 issues troubleshooted, troubleshooted and coordinate with other team members while P1 incident comes in our queue verifying verify logs in my side and intimated to the team members because they are their related incidents. This is the reason to you should hire me. After that, they asked me. After that, they asked me what is the role in the current organization. You asked my role is WebSphere application server administrator L3. I said straight. This is the answer. I said okay. What is the port number of WebLogic console? WebLogic console. They say ask it like that. 7001 without security. 7002 with SSL security. Security. How to analyze the dumps? They ask it how to analyze the dumps. In this, we delivered the In first we have J console is there. In this tool we can we can analyze the dumps .phd format. .phd stands for portable heap dumps, and this JConsole will be configured under our JVM properties. Yes, in WebSphere, generic JVM arguments and with the with port number 9000 is the port number we configured JConsole. I will show evidence. I will show you evidence. This is the heap analyzer, third analyzer. This is also the I will show you. Take console in WebSphere. How to enable JMX? So no, wait. This is the J console. This is the J console. It will show dashboard like this. We can give port number localhost 9017 and 9000 based on the requirement. We can configure like this in the server port number in the generic JVM argument. Okay. After this, we can log in JConsole. We can find out. We can use find the command. Find space slash space hyphen name space JConsole. We can find out here OPT IBM WebSphere app server Java JRE. I think here JConsole. This is exactly I don't know. This is the thing. J console. In this, we can find out this automatically displays. Automatically it displays path. We can run the path automatically. Okay, no issues. We can configure like this. This is here. Here showing say memory heap, memory usage, non-heap memory usage, memory pool, and all the things are there. The displays dashboard and perform GC. You already enabled GC, right? Garbage collection, junk on. After this is the heap memories. Say how much heap memory occupying this non-heap size incremented of this time used and committed and max and GC timeout, GC time. Everything is mentioned here in the JS console. Java memory manage, Java monitoring and management console. Okay, don't confusion here. Everything is mentioned under here. Time range 12 hours, 14 hours, 3 hours. Everything is mentioned in the time range. Here after that, after all the things, which server already runs every minute, it will be every server, which server is so much memory, it will already displace in the server list in the J console. Okay, like that. And after that we can use heap analyzer and thread analyzer tools. And apart from this, apart from, we will use heap and thread analyzer tools for analyzing memory leakage on of the application. It shows it it will shows in the circle format for Java core dumps. It's human readable. How much threads are blocked and runnable? We will see. We will see in the .txt file. We can upload this in Java core, Java Java and thread analyzer. It shows in table format. It shows in the table format. It will shows in the table format. How to deploy the application in the WebLogic. How to deploy application in the WebLogic. Application in WebLogic. WebLogic I will deliver in the console. In the WebLogic console, there is one deployment icon is there. Deployment button is there. We can click that button, and after that lock and edit. Press press before that we created one folder. We created one folder, deployment folder. In that Oracle Home. Under this domains, under base domain, base domain, under this security folder, under this we can create folder mkdir deployment. We can drag and drop and drop application in that folder using WinSCP tool. WinSCP tool. After that, we can give same path in the console, in the WebLogic console, and select cluster and click next and deploy the application. This is the question. Ask it. You ask it. What is your branch in BTech? BTech computer CSC. He asked it, what is the passout? Passout is 2014. Nine. Okay. How to communicate the static server to dynamic server? That's nothing but they said HS2 application server. I'm said through plugins and enable load module 22 in WebSphere, but WebLogic, WebLogic we can use two modes for OHS collocated and standard alone modes. Standard alone modes. In that we can configure SSL in standard alone mode, alone mode, but collocated we can integrate it with OHS2 WebLogic. WebLogic in WebSphere we can enable, generate and propagate the plugins and verify all the things. And the context root in WebSphere we can generate, comma, propagate plugins in integrated console, that is DMJR console. That is a DMJR console. After that configure port number 443 or 81 or 80 or 81 based on the requirement. We can configure in virtual host, virtual host under default host, under that host alias. Under this, we can configure name as star or host name is mentioned based on the network level configuration. After that, value we can give 80 or 81 or 81 or 443 based on the client server configuration. We can verify this. We can verify this httpd.conf search. Can use 8081 search or 80 you can search or 443 you can search like this in the file. Open the file using view httpd.conf or vim in the Linux environment. But in AX we can use in AIX we can use vi space httpd.conf. We can use like this. After this, we can access application through context root. This is the thing. After that, they asked me. After that, they asked me which what are the major scenarios you have worked in your employment. I said 503 issues, 404 issues, and 403 issues, comma, P1, P2, P3 related issues, comma, DCDR, comma, DRDC related configuration issues, OOM issues, DB slowness issues resolved in my employment. Employment 503 means request is not reaching to the server. Maybe LB team misconfiguration. Misconfiguration means they configure 80, not enable 443. This is misconfiguration. It is comes under misconfiguration. Okay, we verified same another server, another service with same environment environment. Okay, this is the issue. Okay, 500 500, we can call it doubles double o 500 means server is down. We can check IHS and application servers, either WebSphere or WebLogic. In WebSphere verified system out dot log and system dot log, comma, FFDC logs in WebLogic. There is node manager dot pro node manager dot log. We can verify, or or domain logs. We can verify. We can verify this. This is the thing. After that, this is the scenarios. After that, how to fix DCDR, how to fix 503 issues, they asked it. How to fix 503 issue they ask. Okay, we can deliver, and we opened the bridge call. We opened the bridge call, joined all team members with the within call. We can verify the servers request is reaching the backend servers or not. LB2 LB2 WAF WAF2 LB2. We have production. We have some of organization one load balancer, some of organization two load balancers available. After that, IHS request is reaching to application server 2 DB, either Oracle or MongoDB or SQL or MySQL, based on the office, based on the servers. We can fix like that. He asked one more issues. He asked means DCDR, same issue, resolve it. Internal pages not comes up. It shows blank page. Sometimes shows forbidden. Sometimes shows file not found. Exceptions in the logs. This is join open bridge call and troubleshooted this. After this, troubleshooted. After that, they're asked from locations and all the things. After this, what they asked. Okay, okay, good, okay, completed. They asked what is the cell? What is the cell configuration? They asked cell configuration. How to patch the WebLogic server. Okay, we patched 12C to 14C with the ECR change. Take backup of Oracle home directory before implement the patch. After that, every 3 months. After that, every 3 months, we patched the servers. Go patch or Java upgradation, etc. In WebSphere, in he asked in your resume, we said that cell configuration not comes under middleware. He said like that. He said not comes under middleware. He said like that. It says like that. Middleware means middleware means lot of technologies are present in the market. One of the technology is there that is WebSphere application server. WebSphere application server. In this in this technology in this technology, cell configuration is present. Self configuration is present in this technology. In the cell, every profile have default cell configuration is present here. Suppose OPT IBM WebSphere app server profiles DMGR01 under config cells DMGR underscore cell 1 is the configuration. In the configurations, nodes are available under the cell under the cell. This is I delivered the answer. After this, he asked me, he taken photographs and all the things. All are open videos and all the things and seeing in one frame and take capture under my ID card and all the things. After this is the questions they asked it, and they asked shifts. Shifts asked okay for that. I am okay for any shifts, either BAU or prime shifts or night shifts. Okay, no, okay, night shifts. I am okay. Okay, this is the thing asked that I verified in in patching. They asked in patching, Ansible will doing all the things right. They asked like that. Yes, yes. Ansible team will doing all the things. Will doing all the but any server is fail space, we can we will we will manually patch the DMGR cell. DMGR cell using command line mode means commands executed in the CMD. This is I delivered Ansible playbook. We can we can create the laptop. We create Ansible playbook. We can create inventory and all servers. We can add add, add the Ansible playbook. Ansible playbook. If any cell is not patched, we can verify those cells and rectify the problems related disk space, etc. And we will patch manually the servers. We can patch one or two or 10 servers, but more than that, more than that, again, Ansible team will help. Will help one more time with the change record. The change record. This asked, this is asked in WebLogic. In WebLogic, this is owned by WebLogic, owned by Oracle Corporation, and WebSphere owned by IBM. IBM is OS is there, AX OS is there. IBM have AIX OS. They asked which OS. They asked one more thing. AX is which company OS? IBM or HP? He asked IBM. See, I will show you. Same thing. I will copy paste in the Google. I will show you. See, IBM. IBM X is a series of proprietary operating system which is provided by IBM. X stands for Advanced Interactive Executive. Okay. They asked first question is this. In a where interview started, this is the first question. Okay. I said we will plan we will plan certification course in WebLogic and DevOps and AWS. We will plan next we will plan those certification program we will plan. I say like that. After that, all the things is okay, all the things is done. After there is okay, which client which clients you work at, ask it. As it is, I work at and a number. I work at three or four. I can use based on that. I can deliver the answer like this. Okay, this is the ask it this. After this, manager and our team leads all the comes and we will discuss it with the teams, team size and all the things. And what are the roles and responsibilities they identify all the things. Okay, okay, everything. We will come up with the we'll come up with internally discuss and we will give the feedback. If they say like that, this is the things interviews did done these questions. This is the questions and this is the answers. Okay, thank you watching this. Okay, we will come up with a new thing. Okay, wait it. Okay, this is question. Thank you watching this. Please subscribe the channel. Okay, I will come up with SSL installations in tomorrow's class or tonight. We will come up with installation of SSL in self-sign certificate, and after that we come up with how to add that certificate in the sales. We will install the product of local and we will show up how to install SSL in a WebSphere. Okay, this is the basic concepts. If WebSphere is perfect, we can come up with WebLogic and Apaches, all the things. They ask one more question. They asked one more question, and how to integrate Apache to Apache Tomcat to application. They ask like that through SSL and mod JKS, not JKS, but WebSphere plugins are there. They ask that SSL is related to certificates, right? Yes. Mod JKS is there. Mod JKS. For Mod JKS, we can integrate with web application server to Apache Tomcat. We can use etc, HTTPD, HTTP conf. In this httpd.conf, in this after this ssl.conf, after this mod underscore mod some number is there dot jks. In this httpd.conf we can use include ssl.conf. We can write include httpd.conf. You can include rewrite rules. Also you can use mod dot jks. We can give and that we can give ssl certificate path a is equal to, this is the path etc, where tls certificates under this private key. This is the path. Some of the organizations we can use under this, under this certificates, under this you can use SSL, under this certificates are stored. Dot CER, dot PEM, dot CRT certificates are present under this path. Okay, this is the thing, and after all of this is configure in ssl.conf, ssl.conf. In this file, we can use SSL and TLS versions also. Okay, SSL. Okay, we can use SSL underscore TLS. We can use this is thing as miss reading, exclamatory as miss. We can use like this also, like this. We can use, this is the reading purpose. We can use, this is the thing. Last question they asked. These are the things. Interviews done this. This okay. Thank you watching this. Kindly subscribe the channel, and we'll come up with SSL. Tomorrow concept is SSL on all the things. Okay, we will deliver. I will install the product tonight in my laptop, and we will see profile and creation as the thing, and we will deliver the lecture of SSL. Tomorrow, most important concept is SSL. Okay. Thank you watching this. Okay, I will stop the screen sharing and all the things. Okay.